But, unlike humans, they follow the instructions accurately. If your mother asks you to add 2 onions to the grocery list, there's a high possibility of you forgetting to bring the onions. Unlike us, computers remember everything. So now you know how to avoid your mother's scolding smile. As we discussed, computers follow a set of instructions and perform tasks accordingly. If we take the previous example, your mother had given you instructions about what all to add in the grocery list. So those set of instructions are nothing but computer programs. Computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to complete a task. Let's start by commanding the computer to print "Hello World." So can you guess how will we be going about this? We will start by providing the required instructions to the computer to print "Hello World." We are going to write those instructions in a language that the computer understands. Yes, JavaScript it is. The command to print text in JavaScript is. This command tells the computer to print something on a document, i.e. a web page. But this command is incomplete without few special characters. Let's go ahead and add them. Round brackets tells the computer to separate the command from the text that is to be printed. Let's add round brackets to our command. Double quotes are added to instruct the computer about which part is to be printed. Let's add double quotes to our command along with "Hello World." Semicolon indicates the end of a command and hence is added after every command. Now our command will change to. The result of the above command will be. And voila! We've successfully completed our first JavaScript program. Give oneself a pat on the back. Congratulations! Now you're ready to build the next Facebook. Just kidding. There's a
well organized and easy to learn. Such are the features of JavaScript. Here we will try and understand how the computer translates our code and provides us back with the useful output of our choice. A computer understands only one language, known as the machine code. This code is made up of ones and zeros. The computer reads these as electronic instructions from the CPU. Now we will try and look at our programming code. The term computer programming conjures up images of support intelligent people hunched over keyboards typing things that are difficult to understand. But JavaScript is unlike anything like that. Once you know the steps, you'll translate your ideas into programming code. That is, writing a Hello World program in JavaScript, as we will learn, is exceptionally easy and requires not more than 3 lines of code. We can print Hello World directly to the HTML document using this program. Also, we can include the code in the HTML script by simply adding the code between any part of an HTML document with the help of the script tag. It will look something like this. An alert function is used if you want to make sure information comes through to the user. This function will display text in a dialog box that pops up on the screen.